in the 423.
Alright, we're going to do the clutch install. It's going to be a nightmare. This is my first time, so go easy on me.
Man, this camera's awesome, dude. With the lighting.
Yeah, I love it. Alright, I already took my foot pegs off, and I've got it laid over on its side so that I don't have to drain the oil. Gotta loosen up all your Phillips screws, which I've already pre-loosened, except for this one. It probably wouldn't hurt to get the brake out of the way. There's a lot of videos online to do this, but I'm going to show you how to do it the cheap way. That's how we do everything.
Cheap and easy, baby. I'm gonna have to turn us some music on or something, bro.
Yes. We are not sponsored by music.
Not sponsored by anyone.
But we are fishing.
Yes. There we go. There we go. So he's just getting all the Phillips bolts out of the case.
There's a lot.
On the other side, in one of his videos, he replaced all those.
Yes, it was so nice.
They all come out though, didn't they?
Yeah. Fairly easy. They weren't really that tough.
It's from all them jumps, man.
Yes, he's been abused lately. That 143 kit, holding strong. I'm checking all the lengths, make sure they're all the same.
Are they?
Yep.
All the same size? So it don't matter what pile you put them in?
What about our rubber mallet? We still have one.
I seen my son playing with that the other day.
Nope, it came loose.
Got a little oilage.
Okay.
So what is that there? Something.
This is all the clutch arms for the automatic. This all comes out.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Sweet.
That's your automatic clutch, centrifugal clutch.
Pretty sweet. It's heavy, ain't it?
Yeah, it's heavy.
How much you think?
At least a pound. This bearing here has to come out. There's a bearing and a retainer. Has to come out so you can get this nut off of the primary clutch. Like butter. Like butter.
Like butter.
It helps if you don't have fat fingers.
Yeah, all of us don't have that problem.
Oh!
Was that your knee?
Yes.
Oh, man. These little electric impacts from Harbor Freight, man, are the way to go.
You have to take these off at the same time.
They both come off at the exact same time.
Or they won't come off, which I learned before.
Like so. And there's your clutch basket.
All that's coming off too.
Hang on.
More weight reduction.
Oh, that comes off too?
Yeah.
Really? Holy moly, dude. Yeah, that's a lot of weight. That's what, 5 pounds or more?
I think they said 5 pound total weight rotating mass.
Between that and this clutch. Centrifugal clutch. Oh, there's a little shout out. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Redo. WV Motard, guys. If y'all want a sweet key tag for y'all's bike or car keys or whatever, it's going on my car keys so I can see it every day. Look him up on YouTube, man. There's his YouTube channel right there. WV Motard. Does some sick videos and does a lot of giveaways too, man. Go check him out. Back to it. Well, that's not too bad. Oh, you gotta go down at the same time? Just like when you remove it, guys. That primary gear and your clutch basket. It's gotta go back on the exact same way together. But look, dude, it's done. Isn't it?
There's a few more steps. We have to take this crankshaft seal out of my original case. Put it in the T-bolt case.
Those 2 bolts right here. Those 2 screws.
What is that?
There and there.
What
is
size
what?
screw is that? Phillips?
Yeah, it's Phillips. Number 2. Number 1, I don't know. Number 3, guys. If y'all know, leave it down there in the comments. Number 2, I'd say.
Woo! Likes them Phillips screws.
They sure do. Woo! That one's tight there, boy. That makes it to the lap. Ooh, and I heard it break loose. Thank goodness.
I was worried.
I was too. Had to put that man strength into it. You got it though. There's the new case. T-bolt case. He's taking that piece out and he's got to just transfer it over. So that nut just screws back on top of that primary gear and you're good to go on that part.
I think so.
It's awesome. It's pretty simple. Really.
Alright. Let's see what we got in this baggie of goodies. Wherever it went.
Oh, I mean, that seal.
In theory. Come together.
On camera shop? On camera shop? Nope. Tell him about it, dirty girl. I love you, man. I don't have no more cookies for you. Sorry.
This is what pushes your clutch in and out. Goes in there.
Sweet. That's back on. Isn't that one-way bearing in that?
Mm-hmm. I guess. I hope so.
So you eliminated it.
Hope so. Hate that thing.
Like so. Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
Hope your kill switch is off. Oh!
Okay.
Who's a pretty girl? And put your cover back on. Put all your bolts back in.
I gotta find a way to route a clutch cable up through there
Be easy. Just right up through the
without getting on that
exhaust.
fiery hot.
Dude, I didn't think about that. I get it. The clutch is in there now. You got to put a clutch cable on it.
Be a long, long time.
Clutch on a KLX 110 with that 143 kit. This thing's gonna rip, dude. I rode it yesterday and oh my god. You'll see the video coming out.
Yes.
All you hear is, oh my god, dude! Oh my god, dude! Yeah, I'm a little jealous now. I got the suspension, but that's it.
I still need to figure out the dampering on the rear shock.
When I softened mine up, it helps so much. Or
So
slowed it down. Slowed it down.
You went slower?
Yep. So it didn't push back up as fast. Because when I went around that one corner, it's got the little whoop-de-doo things in it. Yeah, it was jumping me off the seat. So stiff. My spine don't hurt today, though.
Yeah, mine neither.
My knees do. Yes, if you go back to a video previously, oh man, our camera battery's flashing.
Uh-oh.
Okay, so anyways, put your foot pegs on, guys. We'll be back in a flash. Just got the clutch kit installed. He's about to run it up this wall here.
I gotta put the kickstart on.
Okay, we're getting just a little bit ahead of ourselves here. Where'd it go?
Right here.
I think he likes it, guys. That's what's up, dude. Just gotta tighten your clutch up. Just gotta tighten up your clutch handle. Seems like it revs better though. Yeah, dude. Pretty sweet. What do you think? First ride.
I like it. I like it. It's gonna get used to not putting it in neutral when you get off of it, but
I had to leave mine in first gear.
yeah. I like it.
Sweet.
Full control.
Every day I see my dream.